If you really want it, you do what you've got to do, make it come to life. Always follow who you are. Come to life. You do what you've got to do, make it come to life.
Hey guys, it's Koimoredi here once again with another amazing video, and today I will be taking you to Eastleigh, where there is the largest mall in Kenya coming up, which is called the Business Bay Square Mall. Located in Eastleigh neighborhood of Nairobi is this monster building project that we are going to look at today. A world-class interactive and integrated mixed-use building project, also known as Business Bay Square Mall, BBS. It's easily accessible via various roads and streets. Coming from town, General Waironge Street to the south and Timboroa Street to the east. It also borders Eastleigh High School to the north and Seventh-day Adventist Church to the west. When completed, this mall will be among the biggest and ultra-modern super malls in East Africa and Africa. We are going to look at it in depth, but first, a brief history of its location. Eastleigh lies in the east of Kenya's capital Central Business District, formerly known as Nairobi East Township. Eastleigh was an area that was allocated Asians and elite Africans, mostly clerks, shoemakers, and builders by the colonial government. After 1963 though, the area became mostly populated by Kenyan Somalis who had moved from the Ngara Plains. As the Somali population from northeastern Kenya grew, so did their brothers and sisters. Immigrant Somalis from Somalia, especially after the civil war broke out in Somalia in 1991. It's also worth mentioning this. Kenyan Somali make the 6th largest tribe in Kenya, and together with other Eastern Kushite groups were the 3rd group to settle inside the borders of current-day Kenya. This was before Nilotes and Bantus came in. Somalis settled in the northeastern part of Kenya and east in mainland Somalia, while Oromos, Borana, Gabra, Burji, Rendile, Orma, and other smaller groups took the northern part of current-day Kenya. Southern Kushites, for example, Dahalo people, were the second to settle in Kenya after the indigenous Bushman, Hunter, and Gatherer groups. Then came in Oromos and finally Somalis from the Horn of Africa. Today, majority of the businesses in Eastleigh are Somali-owned. That said, it's hard to tell how many businesses are Kenya Somali-owned and how many businesses are owned by immigrant Somalis. At this moment, what matters is Eastleigh has everything and everyone in it, including other Kenyan tribes, and together they have transformed this neighborhood to a major business district away from Nairobi City Central Business District. Joining other business districts like Westlands, Upper Hill, and CBD, Eastleigh is a force not to be ignored. The only difference is Eastleigh can get crowded, messy, and lacks cleaner roads with sidewalks. Don't you think with such beautiful buildings it could be nice if Eastleigh had more greener spaces to complement it? Both the government and residents need to come together and finally address these issues. Good roads, cleaner streets, and order. And now, on to Business Bay Square Mall. Business Bay Square Mall is a mixed-use project under construction at the main entrance to the Eastleigh Business District. A one-stop center for commerce that will offer Nairobians the ultimate shopping experience. The project size covers 6.4 acres and targets a build-up area of 85% in an area that is developed with a mixture of residential and commercial uses. A supermarket will be located on the first floor and will be serviced by loading bays and storage facilities. There will also be retail shops, financial facilities, fine dining facilities, recreation facilities, residential apartments, hotel, medical facility, a mosque, and a parking space for 1,401 cars. This property is being developed by 10 Commodities Wholesale Limited, headed by Ali Bashi and Yasin Hussein, CEO and Chief Financial Officer respectively. Abdiweli Mohammed Hassan is the chairman of the group. 10 Commodities Wholesale Limited is a group headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya. Registered in 2018, 10 Commodities Wholesale Limited has interest in import and export of commodities such as sugar, tea, coffee and wheat across Africa and the Middle East. This specific mall is in line with the goals and mission to channel resources to opportunities in Africa by carrying out trades in commodities to fund such projects. This project was to be carried out in 2 phases. The first phase is at 95% complete. The second phase, comprising of the hotel and serviced apartment towers, is to be completed next. Architects are provided by Ogeto and Kimathi Itaru, owned Maestro Architects Limited. Structural engineering by Kenyan company Strotel Africa, and lastly project managed by UK Kenyan company Mace YMR. Honestly, all I can say is bravo. We are happy about this addition. Other big malls in Kenya include the Two Rivers set on 11 acres with 67 square meters of gross lettable area sitting on expansive 100 acres of mixed-use land. Garden City with 6 square meters of lettable retail and office space sitting on over 32 acres mixed-use land comprising of the business park, residential houses, kids play area and mall. The Hub Karen 35 square meters lettable space on 20 acres of land. The Junction Mall, Village Market, etc. Like we always say, the future can only be awesome. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed and I hope you're learning something from this channel. If this is the channel for you, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye guys.